Hey there! Traveling solo in your 20s is such a thrilling experience. It's all about self-discovery and adventure. Picture yourself exploring new cultures, trying out some exotic street food, and meeting amazing people from all over the world. Now imagine doing all of that without spending a fortune. With a bit of planning and some smart choices, you can see the world without emptying your wallet. This guide is here to give you all the tips and inspiration you need to start your own budget-friendly solo adventures. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to miss out on comfort or fun experiences. It's all about making smart choices to stretch your money further. So, if you're ready to dive into the excitement of solo travel and see the world on a budget, keep watching. Picking the right destination is key when you're traveling on a budget. Southeast Asia, Central America, and Eastern Europe are famous for being affordable and offering unique experiences. These places have it all: amazing landscapes, vibrant cultures, and budget-friendly options. Let's dive into some awesome destinations that won't empty your wallet. Thailand is a backpacker's dream come true. From the lively streets of Bangkok to the chill beaches of Krabi, Thailand has something for everyone. Enjoy delicious street food for just a few bucks, explore ancient temples, or just relax on beautiful beaches. The options are endless. Hey there, fellow travelers! Ever thought about hitting the road during the off-peak season? It's a total game changer for anyone on a budget. Flights, hotels, and even attractions slash their prices. It's like a secret sale just for you. Plus, fewer crowds mean more chill vibes. You get to enjoy popular spots without the hustle and bustle. It's like having the place to yourself. By visiting during quieter times, you're helping to spread the economic benefits and reduce the environmental impact. It's a win-win for you and the planet. Alright, let's dive into Section 4, Practical Tips for the Thrifty Explorer. Set a realistic daily budget to keep your finances in check. Make smart choices that match your spending priorities. Research costs before you go. Use apps like Skyscanner to compare flight prices. Hostels are great for budget-friendly stays and meeting new friends. Look for Airbnbs with kitchens to save on meals. Hit up local markets for fresh, affordable produce.